What's the meaning of Central African? Central African. Central African.
Central African. Central African. Central African refers to something or someone that comes from or relates to the central region of the African continent. This includes countries such as Chad, Cameroon, the Central African Republic, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and the Republic of the Congo. The term can also refer to the various ethnic groups and cultures found in this region. Central African is a broad term that encompasses diverse peoples, histories, and geographies, and it is important to recognize the complexity and richness of this region and its people.